Hi guys, welcome to Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing MPC 046 Applied Positive Psychology. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all assignments in solved assignments in PDF and handwritten form. If you are looking for the assignments, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number and you can tell us about your subject, about your codes, etc. And if you need any other help related to computer work or any other help, so you can save us number as a computer guy, so that whenever you need our help, so you can contact us. So actually we provide related to any technical work, and if you are any suffering from any work related to the technical, so we are here for help you. You can save this number for future purpose also. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.